If you're seeing a synchronization failed error in Rainbow Six Siege, don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually easy to fix. First, completely close the game and open Ubisoft Connect. Log out of your account, then log back in. This refreshes your connection with Ubisoft's servers and often fixes the issue instantly. Next, check your internet connection. Restart your router and make sure you're on a stable network. Avoid VPNs while playing, as they can block proper synchronization. Now verify your game files. In Ubisoft Connect, go to your game library, click on Rainbow Six Siege, open Properties, and choose Verify Files. This will repair any missing or corrupted files that can cause sync errors. Also make sure Ubisoft Connect is allowed through your firewall and antivirus. Temporarily disabling antivirus can help confirm if it's blocking the connection. If the problem still continues, check Ubisoft's server status online. Sometimes the issue is server-side, and waiting is the only solution. After following these steps, restart your PC and launch the game again. In most cases, synchronization will be fixed, and you can jump back into ranked without issues.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.